Hey there, dear friends, hope you're having a fantastic day today. Welcome back, everyone. We're diving into a fresh tutorial to uncover an incredibly useful and exciting feature in the latest version of CLO 3D. Let's explore it together. Discover an amazing feature in CLO 3D 2025 that lets you design a variety of t-shirts with incredible speed. Let's dive in. Right now, it's t-shirts only. It's live now, with exciting updates coming soon. Go ahead and add it too, right up here in the top toolbar. Dive in and click on the pattern option within Drafter to get started. Give it a try right now. Check out the page that just appeared. You'll see various titles here. Time to wipe this clean and start fresh. Let's dive back in. This time, make sure to select the Open option from the menu to proceed. I select the second saved file. Here we are in part 2. Moving on, check out this long sleeve dress. I had this custom made just for me. Simply press the Create button to get started right now. Take a look at this stunning long sleeve dress perfectly structured for our project in 3ds Max. Discover the latest CLO 3D feature for crafting diverse patterns. Dive into customizing your design. Adjust sleeves, tweak lengths, refine collar styles, and save each variation separately. Take a look at the type section, for instance. As I pointed out earlier, when you expand this, you'll notice the t-shirt is all set, and we'll tackle the remaining items shortly after. Store them securely for effortless instant access. I appreciate you being here with us today. Friends, I hope this tutorial helps. I truly hope this tutorial proved useful to you. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons ahead. Until then, take care and see you soon. Soon, we'll select the t-shirt choice. Now let's dive into the selection area. Here you'll find a range of t-shirt options, each showcasing unique designs to explore and choose from for your project. Let's explore some specific styles like raglan or drop shoulder models. I'll pick the first one to showcase. I'll model this using 3ds Max. Check this out, a page full of parameters. Take a look at this pattern I've prepared. This includes every detail about the pattern design. Diving right into the details, let's explore the front of the dress, the parameters for the back pattern, and the sleeve design. If needed, we'll craft a headrest. See how clicking here triggers the algorithm? Next, we shape the second section. Alright, it's time to craft the bottom edge of the dress front, and then carefully design the matching edge for the back of the clothing to complete this stylish look. Feel free to tweak the parameters to suit your unique clothing design. Change it. Take a look at this. I'd like to adjust the clothing by extending the overall length of the dress for a better fit. Simply type the values right into this field. Time to bring in the model I've been eager to work with. At last, all that's left is to tap the Create button and watch the magic happen. There you go, the patterns are now fully activated. Go ahead, position it and click left. Do it. Now watch as we craft our unique patterns right here on the screen. Let's dive into part 2, where we'll explore the clothing design, complete with detailed stitching, perfectly aligned on the seated body avatar. Simply start the simulation to see it in action. Ready to see the magic? It's incredibly simple and quick to do. The desired clothing is designed and sewn here. Curious about more? Dive into this option's features. Ready to uncover this fresh pattern? I'll clear it. Returning now to the Pattern Drafter section for more details. Today, we're diving into a fresh raglan model pattern design. Here we go, launching the file. Notice how this section reveals the starting design. Check out these parameters, every single. We can make changes. Take a look, I tweaked the dress length. I'll change it. Check this out, I'll import these numbers while you manage the 2D side. Take a look at these updates. Next, I'm jumping into 3ds Max to tweak the design, like adding a headrest for extra flair. Height, for example, 7 centimeters, and I click Create. Next, I'll carefully position the patterns on the model. Alright, let's dive back into the 3D workspace now. Look, the clothing is coming together. When we simulate here, our clothing is created so easily. At this pace. Some other features and capabilities in this is the Pattern Drafter section. Take a look at this clothing model, for instance, as a great example to explore. Impressed by this design? Use it. Make sure to keep a base template ready always. Avoid jumping into Pattern Drafter just yet for importing data, adding satin, or adjusting height. Change the outfit, adjust it if needed. Remember this tip while working in this area. Be sure to hit the Save button in Pattern Drafter to secure your progress. On your system. Save it somewhere with a name. Try naming it something memorable. Time to save this masterpiece and keep our progress secure. Alright, time to wrap up this Pattern Drafter section for now. Let's reset everything. Imagine starting fresh in the software today. Here we are. Navigate straight to that specific section. Check it out. The pattern is now perfectly applied. Now let's return to the select mode. There's absolutely nothing to see on this page. Go ahead and select the Open option. If you've saved a project, it's ready to load. Sure, navigate to the Excel file. Simply click to select it, then hit Open to load your saved work. Absolutely, go ahead and take that step to bring your project to life right now. Check this out. We've fine-tuned the parameters for this clothing model, and it's looking fantastic. All that's left is to click Create and watch the magic happen. Let's bring this design into the 3D world with Marvelous Designer and see our vision come to life in stunning detail. Discover another highlight in this model. Dive in with me. I've got the clothing. Hey there, check out this drop shoulder design. I've tailored it just for myself. Place it right here. Dive into General mode to tweak the parameters. Notice the 2D view now? Feel free to adjust anything as required. To wrap things up, go ahead and press the Create button to bring your vision to life in 3ds Max. Watch as your design takes shape. I'm placing the pattern. Moving into the 3D workspace, I can see the completed clothing design come to life. It's exciting to witness how the patterns transform into a fully realized garment right before my eyes. Back to tweaking the pattern draft. Time to store this progress securely, without making any changes to it. This time in the new file, for example, I'll save this as 2. I'm back on my computer with this file. Time to dive in. Here's our Excel file ready. Check out these parameters. These settings are all set up for us. Take a look at this section as well. Feel free to tweak these settings. For instance, with my latest clothing model, I'd love a long sleeve version. Sure, I'll build it from scratch using this file. Time to tweak the sleeve length a bit and get it just right for the design. I'm adjusting this now to perfect the fit. I'm dialing this up to 55. There we go. Let's save this masterpiece right now. Time to dive back into the creative zone with my trusty software tools. Shutting down Pattern Drafter now.